Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, it's me again, Joyce. So yun guys, nandito na naman tayo kay Aaron and ano pa nga ba? So yan, for today's vlog is we're going to Splash Island! Yan, gagala na naman tayo guys and kasama ko na naman ang family Ocampo. Yan, it's already 7:30 in the morning and yan, waiting na lang tayo sa kanila kasi nagpapack pa sila ng things nila and see you guys later. Bye! What are you doing, Lily?
Yeah.
Coloring? Let's go!
Is that Facebook Live?
Yeah, I know! Just filming. Lily.
Dito mo not, dito na lang.
Oh, bukas ano po, yeah.
Kaya ganyan.
Unless you wanna go with
Morning, Lala.
Morning.
Hey guys, finally we're back and we're here at Splash Island.
Splash Island.
Somewhere here.
They have to be.
This is the mall ng Splash Island, guys.
So like a metro. Yeah.
Hey girls. Hi.
Free.
We're gonna enter.
You know what? Drinks are free.
Are you excited?
Outside water.
Pakadala lang ulit ako ng pilit ko.
Okay
Swanted
po.
leather bag. So,
Oh my god. Yes, we're here. We're back again here.
Water guns. Oh, would they really be fun in the water? Water guns? Would they? Oh my god, monkeys!
Yehey! Walang pila. Wala pang tao, guys. Unlike before na pumunta kami.
Pero gusto pa namin
Ang dami-dami tao.
ang tacos and
And balsa. Yeah.
There's a foam party?
I want to go.
There
Oh,
is party.
Hey guys, yan hinahanap namin yung restroom kasi magbibihis ako. And yeah, para makapag-swimming na tayo and water activities, guys. Hey guys, we're back yan. Nakapagpalit na kami ng pang-swimming. And we are ready to swim.
Party.
Party.
hall. Dami mo
Oh my God, guys. Ang dami ng bago dito. Galing na kami dito. Siguro mga 2 years ago. And wala pang mga inflatable. And wala pang
Tapos walang
ganyan,
tao.
wala pang wall climbing and mga zipline ganyan. Yung mga cottage nila is nagko-cost ng around 1,000 ata. 1,000, diba? Finally, we're back. Yan. Tapos na kami mag-slide and water activities. Yan. Nag-iikot-ikot na kami dito sa Splash Island. And look guys, ang laki ng bola nilang ginagamit. Sumali guys. Ang saya nila, diba? Look guys! My phone! Wow! Yan, pabalik na kami sa aming cottage. Hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch, pero yan, waiting na lang tayo. Aliyah! Hi! Hi! Hotdog! So yun guys, I'm gonna show you our cottage and yan. So guys, this is our cottage. Ang cute ng mga umbrella. This is our there's a bridge. So, ang cute ng bedroom nila. Yan, may aircon, and one bed lang. Sobrang liit. Anyway guys, it's 3,000 pesos. Yan. Makikita niyo yung price. Yan, sasakailit kami ng rides nila. I don't know kung ano yung open and ano pa yung available. Guys, we're back. Yan, as you can see, ako lang mag-isa kasi si Aaron is nanood ng Pacquiao sa Nuvali and kami, waiting lang kami dito sa Splash Island and tapos na rin kami mag-water activities. Yan. Yan guys. But anyway, I have something to tell you guys. Kasi yung unang punta namin dito na Aaron together is hindi kami nakapag-water activity. I mean, hindi namin nagawa lahat ng water activities dito kasi nga is unang-una summer noon, ang daming nakapila, ang daming tao, like sa baba pa lang going up, parang tatamarin ka na kasi nga sobrang daming tao and hindi na namin piniling makipagsiksikan doon. Ang pinili namin is maghanap ng spot dito sa Splash Island and ang ginawa namin is nagkwentuhan na kami buong araw guys, as in lahat ng revelation namin about exes, yan, pinagkwentuhan na. Parang umalis lang kami dun sa place na yun pagkatapos na nila mag-water activities lahat or pauwi na ata kami nun. Anyway guys, magpapahinga muna ako kasi tapos na kami mag-water activities yan. Sobrang paulit-ulit na namin ginawa guys kasi walang masyadong tao unlike peak season or summer season. Yan guys, sobrang daming tao. Hey guys, I'm wearing this rash guard and I got this from Guadalupe Mall guys. Doon ako namimili ng mga damit ko. Sabi ko nga sa isa kong vlog, diba? Pero ito, I got this for only 300 plus. 300 plus pesos guys yan. Sobrang mura and ang cute niya. Sobrang fit niya sa akin kasi dapat susuotin ko to nung nag-Boracay kami pero hindi ko na siya nagamit kasi nga yung first day namin is na-delay kami so 2 araw na lang kami nag-stay doon and hindi ko na siya nagamit. So yan guys, sa mga gusto or nagbabalak na pumunta dito sa Splash Island guys, ang dami ng bago dito, unlike before. Yung mga inflatable na sila and then yung slide nila is open na lahat. So, pero may time yung slide nila ha. Kailangan nyo makita yung schedule nila para malaman nyo kung pwede na kayong pumila or something. Tapos, indicate naman doon before kayong pumasok dito. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy yung ano nila dito, yung mga activities nila dito. Kasi nga, hindi lang siya pang bata. Even the whole family guys, pwedeng gawin yung water activities nila and wala lang, nakaka-enjoy kasi kahit na, alam mo yung kahit hindi ka bata or kahit feeling young, yan, kahit feeling young ka is mag-enjoy ka dito. Yan! So yan guys, ito yung mga schedules ng water activities nila and makikita nyo and machi-check nyo kung what time kayo pwedeng pumila. I love! Ano, kamusta? Sino panalo? Pacquiao?
Yeah.
Talaga, Pacquiao?
Oh!
Hey, nandito na si Aaron and si Pacquiao ang nanalo, guys.
That's fun.
Are you enjoying it?
Back end yan. We're now going to ride Rio Montañosa for the 3rd time around, guys. Hi guys, finally, pauwi na kami yan. And it's already 5 or magsi-6 na ata. So yan, pauwi na ang mga tao dito sa Splash Island guys.
No. I need it for my vlog.
Guys, there's a hidden stock room here. Yeah, it's a hidden room. Here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's
What are we talking about?
yeah, that's what
This
I'm
is cigar.
talking about earlier. Guys, sobrang cute, diba? May mga hidden agenda kayo guys kung kayo dito.
So meron
Yan, you can take a order here.
mga pioneers.
Yan, mga drinks nila.
Speakeasy.
What do you want?
Speakeasy. Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
You like it. Game!
Bartender.
Guys, yung mga lakang ginagamit. Sobrang ganda dito. Cutie lang. Wait.
All right.
What song is that?
Putting the Beatles on.
Oh, the Beatles.
All right.
Ano malalaman mo?
It's pizza pie.
Salt Bay.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yo,
Go.
Hi, my name is Michael Cody. I live in
Subscribe to my
Seattle,
YouTube channel, yeah.
Seattle, Washington, United States. Here in the Philippines on vacation. Bakasyon. Go check out Joyce's vlog. Subscribe down below. Do it.
Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you! Bye-bye!